We're getting to important parts of maths. So, what is a fraction? A fraction consists of two parts. So we have a dividing line here. Let's say we have one up here and we have two up here. What this is saying, if we put it into an equation, is 1 divided by 2, which equals 0.5. This is what you call a decimal. A decimal has this point here, which indicates that it is half of 1. Another way you can translate 0.5 is in percentages. So let's say if we have 1, so what if 1 equals 100%? So if we have 0.5, that means we have 50%. So let's say we have a fraction of, let's say, 4/5. Now 4/5 in a decimal, okay, we'll say 5. So we have 4 parts of 5. If you imagine a pizza, and let's try that again. So let's cut it down the middle and maybe draw a peace sign, and then maybe like that. So if I change my color, so if we have 4 parts, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means this is 4/5. So if you imagine this as a pizza, and if we complete the pizza, then it'll equal 5/5 or 1, because it's a whole. It's a whole number because we covered the whole pizza. But if we want to turn that into a decimal, we have to, if we want to turn that into a decimal, then we have to see, okay, so let's say this, if we times this by, no. So if we did 100 divided by 5, that would equal 20, because 20 times 5 equals 100, or 2 times 5 equals 10. So let's say, so that means it's 20. So if we do 20 times 4, that equals 80. So that means we have 80/100. So we could call that 0.8, because remember, this equates to 1 whole. And this is what you call a tenth. Not a 10, but a tenth. The same goes for a decimal. If you have 0.008, this is a thousandth. Let's just go 1,000th. This is a hundredth. This is a tenth. And this is 1 whole. So that is decimals. Now what if we want to turn this into a percentage? Now that's easy. So we can obviously see here that the fraction, if we convert 4 over 5 into 80 over 100, we already have our percentage there, because percent means out of 100. So we already have our percentage there of 80%.